Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove your PayPal account from TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com, if you're not already. So go ahead and open it up, and after doing so, you can go ahead and get started logging in. So in the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button that you want to use for logging into your account that is connected to TikTok. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at the PayPal balance, our recent activity, we can send and request money, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started removing it from TikTok. Basically, what we want to do is go into our settings options. We have two ways. Either you can go directly to TikTok to remove it, so you can open up TikTok and then remove PayPal by finding your connected payment methods in your TikTok shop. So open up your shop, find your connected PayPal account and remove it from your connected accounts directly in TikTok. If you want to do it directly from the PayPal website, what we can do is open up the settings tab. In the settings tab, as you can see right here in the upper right corner, by opening up the settings tab, it's going to enable us to manage our account. So yeah, our settings tab is going to look like this. We'll be able to access our account settings, our security settings, data and privacy, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, as you can see, we have an option right here that says permissions you give it, where you can manage your privacy settings with all the accounts that you have given permission to use your PayPal. So basically what you can do is open up permissions, give it, and then find the TikTok option in the list where you have connected your PayPal. You can then go ahead and click to remove the TikTok section. So after removing TikTok, it's no longer going to be connected with your PayPal, and that's how you successfully remove PayPal from TikTok, and you will be not able to use it anymore. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.